Instagram DMs not working today. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can solve Instagram's DMs not working today, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to solve if your Instagram DM is not working, maybe when you go to the DMs page it's not working at all, there are a couple of ways you can hopefully solve this. Now first of all, what you can try to do is just long press the Instagram app icon, tap the I button to come to the app info page here. Once you come to the app info page, now remember this can't be done on iPhones, by the way. For iPhone user, uninstall and reinstall the app. That's the only way you can do it. For Android users, you can go to storage, clear the cache files, and make sure to clear the data of the Instagram app. After you do that, you can also simply try to force stop the application once. Once you've done that, open up your Play Store, check if the Instagram app has an update. If it does, then you'll find the update button, so make sure to update it to the latest version. Even after you do all of that and it's still not solving, then the issue could be with Instagram's servers, so in that case you might have to wait until you fix it. So hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.